Hey guys, it's Emma and today I'm going to be showing you a tour of my School Academy playset. Hey guys, it's Emma and today I'm going to be showing you a tour of my School Academy playset. So, my first ever doll that I've got was Chloe, and she got blonde hair obviously and she loves school. And my favourite doll that I've got is Amy because she's got dungarees and she's got like a pouch you can put stuff. And then this is a teacher, she's called April, and she can have glasses on. So, okay, so now the school, round the sides it's got like brick walls just round here. And then if you go right round, it's got like some pretend doors. It's not real doors, but it's just like these ones, but they look like doors. And here is all like the stuff and the real door that actually opens both ways. So I'll just start here. This is the pegs, so I don't have any jackets, so I just put the post-it note for Chloe's, the pink one for Amy's, and a sharpener, and it's really cool. It looks like a real sharpener for April's, and their shoes go down the bottom. And what Chloe has for lunch is vanilla pudding with her spoon, celery and carrots. In Amy's, she actually has a lunch box. You pull that down, you open it. She's got a butterfly sandwich. She's got apple juice where it actually opens and closes. So that's cool. And then the teacher's got an apple. And I actually made this little miniature toilet roll for her. So, we're going to class now. So, right here, it's got like all these stuff. So it's got like certificates, and it's got a star stickers and apple stickers. And here it's got a red folder with all the stuff that they've done. So they've got a spelling test, they've got that one, that, and this one, and they've got the stickers on them. So that was good, and it's a red folder. And there's pink folders which I've not used yet. Oh, it's a bit hard to get in. Okay, so now it's the teacher's desk. So if you start here, this actually moves, like you can like move them. And you can put the pencil in and you can turn it, but it doesn't actually sharpen the pencil because it's plastic. Then there's the photo frame. It's a butterfly one. And then she's got this, she's got this really cool mug and it says I love my teacher. It's got coffee inside. And she's got sellotape where it's like orange with sellotape. It's got a staple that goes up and down a little bit. She's got these tissues. It's just like really cool. And she's got this pen pot. And these ones look like actual writing pens. And the cool thing is that they open, but they don't actually work. Well, obviously. But there's a pink one and a white one with a black lid, and this is really cool. So then, these are really cool because they actually open. And this is where she keeps the paper for all the tests. She's got another sharpener in here, and she's got these really, really cool.
What are they?
They're like little things that go in this.
Oh, right. They're like wee pins.
Yeah, they actually go in it. I didn't think they did, but they do.
Yeah.
Down the bottom one is a register, and you can actually unclip it, so that's really, really, really cool.
Looks pretty cool.
I wrote in their names, what you can do. Then she's also got these bands. I don't know what they're for, so I'm not opening them yet, but I might do it soon. And the last thing in there is a calculator. It looks real a little bit, but it's really cool. And it has all the numbers from 0 to 9. So here's the teacher's like seat, what it has wheels and it can move. And in here, if I can just move that out. It's got the whiteboard duster. It's like wooden with the whiteboard duster. It was white, but I used the whiteboard duster because the whiteboard actually works. Now you've got the scissors and it opens, but it doesn't cut obviously or they would be dangerous. I've also got this little pink rubber.
And does it rub?
No, but it actually really looks like rubber. And this is for the blackboard.
Wow.
It's just like kind of foam.
But the pens do what for the whiteboard, yeah?
No,
You use the dust off for
it's a little highlighter pen, which I'll show you soon.
Okay.
So, yeah, now we'll move on. So, round at the top end, we've got numbers from 1 to 24. And here's a clock that actually works.
Look at the clock.
So, you put in batteries that it comes with, and it's real time right now.
Yep.
So, now it's got the whole alphabet. So, you get down here, you got the like little bin with all the chalks. Then here, this is really, really cool. There's like a big triangle ruler.
Right.
There's also a pink ruler, just a normal ruler. A blue normal one. A lightish purplish little thing. And there's a even smaller triangle. So they're actually cool because you can get real pencils and with the paper you can draw on them and pretend they done it. Here is where I don't know what it's for, so I just keep in the glasses. So it comes with this, but with the teacher April, she came with this, so the set didn't come with this, but I keep the glasses in here. Then in this one, we got all 3 books. So we got history, art, and mathematics.
Yeah.
So I've done that in my art. It's just kind of like some drawings.
Yeah.
I don't know if I've done any history. Oh yeah, the past is history.
Yeah.
And then I done some math questions.
Have you actually done some work in those books?
Yeah, so you can basically just practice in them. And the last little bin thing over here is this, and it's got like the posters in it. So this one's about friendship, I think, all around the world. So like they're all holding hands around the world. And this one is the alphabet.
Wow.
So right,
Very colourful.
A, it has a alligator, and it says little alligator down there because it starts with an A.
Yep.
And that just keeps going.
So it's quite educational as well, yeah?
Yeah, it's actually quite cool. So you can just store it whatever you want, and I keep it over here in the corner. Next, it's blackboard. So the blackboard is really cool. So
Although it's green, but it's still called a blackboard.
so you could use the chalk and you could do like whatever you want really.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's a bit hard, and then how to rub it out, which I already showed you, is you get, if I can get it, yeah. You get this, you just kind of rub it and it comes off. And if you break this, it's pretty easy. You just get some foam and you cut it up. Or you could just use like tissue if you wanted, like the mini one I made.
Yeah.
So right here is a whiteboard, so it's really cool. You can place the duster there. It's pretty cool, and then you up here. It's a little black button. It's really cool because when you press it, lights come in from the side, and it shows up pretty well. Blue lights.
Wow.
So
I don't think you even get that in a real classroom.
I know you don't. And then the windows here opens and shuts. They open and shut right
Sash
now.
windows that goes up and down.
Yeah, and this you hook it in the bottom
And the blinds.
and they close. So it's the exact same as this one, as I showed you for the pins earlier. They have this big
Yeah.
thing, and that's where you can set the posters. You could just put a little hole in the posters because it's real paper.
It's like a message board there.
Yeah. We don't get it in real classrooms. So here's this plant on top of that shelf there. So
Yeah, it's nice to have a bit of plants.
yeah, so it's just a green pot with the soil, and it's this nice plant. It feels actually quite nice. That's on the top. Below that is a highlighter where you can actually draw on the board. Like,
Wow. That's the pen that got your chalk duster all pink.
and then you just go into the teacher's desk. Well, she goes into it. She grabs it, and then it just rubs out. Okay, so that was just in the shelf below. In this shelf, there's like another rubber, pink again. And the next thing in that bit is this. So what you do is you put that on your paper. You put your pencil in there. And you do that to draw a circle.
Alright.
And there is a bottom shelf, but I just keep that one blank. So here is obviously the door. You can see through it, and it opens and closes.
You've got a bell on the wall as well. Classroom bell. And does that work?
Well, I meant to, but mine's broke.
Yeah.
But it's really good.
There's a door on the other side.
Yeah, it's really, really good. And there's like tiles in here. So it's actually really cool. Then, in this desk, this is just for like, if our pencils roll so it doesn't roll off. They keep in there. So that's the pink desk, that's the blue one. So in the pink one, they've got their maths homework book, and that's Amy's. You've done some times tables.
Oh, it's actually got some timetables in it.
Yeah, I practiced mine in there. Then for art, she drew a butterfly.
Wow.
I just didn't make it neat, so it was just kind of like doll handwriting. I've got the certificate of achievement. So it says this certificate is presented to Amy for being nice, and then it says a date. And then the last thing in there is a pencil case. So hers is pink. It opens. She's got a box of crayons, and it's really, really, really cool. and they actually come out. Obviously they don't work, but there's purple, yellow, orange, blue, red and green. So that's really cool. Next it's got 2 coloured pieces of paper, yellow and pinkish red colour. And it's got 2 pencils which don't actually work, obviously. And then you've got the pens, and obviously the caps come off. So how I organise it is I put down the papers, and then I put these, no, in fact I always put it that way. And then these are shorter, so I put it there, and I put these here, and I close it up. And it's actually good because it opens and closes, and you can see through it. So that's really what I like about it. Oop. So they've not finished their pictures, that's why they've got them in their tray. So the desk opens, of course, and the desk is attached right to the seat, so like it's straight in line.
And it's the second desk exactly the same as well?
Yeah, but different stuff.
Different stuff because it's a different person doing it?
I don't know what that says.
Composition?
Yeah, composition.
Yeah. Unless you don't.
I've wrote hi. You can barely even see it.
Yeah, you can actually just see it.
I drew this weird pig ages ago. Doesn't have any ears or nothing. And the last thing, Chloe didn't get a certificate because Amy was being nicer. So it's the exact same, blue, except it's just blue. It's clear and it opens and shuts. So you've got 1 pencil with a love heart on it. Love heart eraser is cool. Then it's got like they're kind of like sunset colours, just like that's what they look like to me. And
very colourful.
Yeah, they do open like all the other pens. And they've got a purple and blue paper. So yeah, it just kind of goes in.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it fits in perfectly. You just put it in the desk. You can put whatever in the desk, but I chose to put that in it. And it's really cool. Okay, so this is the fire bell. And yeah, it actually has a like fire on it, I guess. And that's like the speaker thing. I don't know.
Alright, okay, yeah. Just for announcements.
Okay, so you can put it however you want, but I chose to put it just like that. You can set it however you want. Put the chairs that side if you wanted. Although the teacher's desk would be covering the door. But you can also get lots of other fun sets from our generation. And they're really fun. So, yeah. We hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment on more fun challenges and stuff you want us to do on the channel, and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.